What's up, everybody? I'm back. Look at Miami in the building, and I've been gone for a little minute. I've been dropping my reels and whatnot, but I decided to keep it cute with a little hairstyle right here, and I want to try it out because it's something simple, something I can go ahead and finesse real good, as you guys can see in the picture right here. I don't know who this person is, but she's beautiful, and I saw this hairstyle on Pinterest. I want to go ahead and try it, so here I am, and whatnot. Also in this video, it's gonna not be long, but I will not be talking through this whole video in this one because like it's gonna be self-explanatory. But I will come back and let you know what else I'm doing. But for the meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail to the top like I want it, and put it down with some SPIRTZ and pump it up spray to keep it all nice and hard and firm. Then when I put a ponytail on, it will not be coming off. For this first part right here, as you guys can see, I'm taking my ponytail out because I want it to be like real put together. So my hair is 4C, as you guys can see, is very short, so I can work with it more better than me having long hair. And I know my hair tight, I know how it's capable of doing. So this is how I'm going ahead and do it. I'm going to keep playing with it to keep it all nice and firm, you know, to make sure that middle is puffed out and that's no like big like budge like holding it up. And that's what it is. So I'm gonna put my SPIRTZ on there again, and this ponytail right here is gonna be really in. I'm not gonna take it out again. I'm gonna go ahead next and blow dry. And the blow dry right here for us, y'all, I know it's a little ratchet. It been through a lot because my auntie gave me this, y'all, and like she passed away in 12, I'm sorry, and I miss her so much. So this blow dry she gave it to me, y'all, so I cherish blow dry to the T. Let me tell you, this is my go-to. I love this, and it's still up and running, okay? And my cute bow boss, can y'all see it? Y'all, it is too cute, okay? I took some rubber bands, put some oil on it for you won't like getting that up, messing my hair up, because I already got no hair as it is, y'all, okay? And this is what we're gonna go ahead and do. And I'm gonna come back, y'all, show y'all what I'm doing. So y'all keep it locked, okay? Y'all not want to miss it. It's gonna be worth the wait. It's gonna be too cute, y'all. I promise y'all. It's gonna be real cute. Now right here, y'all, I went ahead and covered with some tissue paper because I will be putting some glue on my hair, but only a little bit, y'all, only a little bit, not that much, okay? And it's gonna protect it for it won't get in my hair, you know what I'm saying, damage the little hair that I do got and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and blow dry that, make sure it's nice and firm. That way we put the hair on there, it's gonna be lit. Now this hair right here is synthetic, it's mixed human synthetic, whatever it is. I don't know what brand it is, but I just leave the package at the bottom, let y'all know what it was. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some hair glue, put on the tracks, and then start going all the way around. I start to the top of the hair because that way my red hair with the bun won't be showing, so it just like play it off and things like that. And you know me using the glue again, make sure everything is nice and set, blow dry, and do the whole works. I'm gonna take the end of the hair, y'all, and wrap it all the way around like I'm doing like a regular ponytail. That way everything will be fastened together and will not be coming off and whatnot. And just like that, that's how we're gonna go ahead and do our ponytail, y'all. It look kind of cute like this, not like I'm in the 2000s, okay? This right here is a hair bun you get from the hair store or whatever. It's very cheap, like $1.99. They got all sizes and things like that. They even have a dollar store too for the small ones, but I need the big one for this deal. Got my Barbie pins, you know, to go and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin everything all together. Make sure that bun is secure in my head. It won't come out.
When you slide in, baby, right in. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet boy, they like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to walk with the body. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me outside, boy.
So as you guys already know, I'm using a track cut for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and tease it till it get real big, because the bigger it is, the better it's gonna work for me and whatnot. So y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel, like, comment, all that good stuff. And guess what, y'all already know I'm on what? TikTok. Don't be petty, y'all. Come look for your girl. Follow me, I'll follow you back, y'all. It's alright.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down on the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Direct up down low like bombs. Sweat boom. Nothing but a roll in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta
So you saw me put a big old headband around my hair because I wanted it to be nice in place. I'm gonna take my pins again. I'm gonna pin it. Pin is more important than anything in the hairstyle because guess what? You want it to be nice and secure. After nice and secure, how you like it. Your most important part is to make sure you want to take all your pieces out your head that you want it to like drip down. Now for this style, this is my first time doing this hairstyle, so I wasn't really too sure of how I want to go about with the hair coming out of my bun. I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to do too less. I wanted to like be unique and do my own thing. So I went ahead and then tried it out and took some out in the back, whatever like that, and I spit some because I didn't want them to be too thick. So I spit one into two and just like that. Now when you pull it out, be careful. You can also like people crochet it in too, but I decided to do it this way and whatnot because I don't know. I just do what works for you. That's all I'm saying. Do what works for you, what you like, and what make you creative. Bring it to the game. Don't try to copy everybody else. Just do you, baby. Do you all day. I'm gonna go ahead and put some little edges to the side, you know, like 1, 2, just like that, you know what I'm saying, to make it all come together. You know, what's a hairstyle without baby hair? Well, I have a baby hair now, but I got a little bit of something I can work with, okay? So I went ahead and used that edge control for that, and bam, just like so. Nothing major, just, you know what I'm saying, go by my way and call it a day. Now this Ghost Bond glue right here, oh yes, we're gonna need this. Now you can use any glue you want, but I had this in my possession, so I went ahead and used this. Now I'm gonna explain to you a little bit more how I went ahead and did the I don't know what they call it, but a little fake sideburn, whatever the case may be. Now bam, check it. It's the same track hair. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it because I don't want it to be too short or too long. Next, I went ahead and blow dry the hair. That way, the glue can be more tackier when I'm ready to use it. And just like that, you're gonna take your hair and then put it on there. Whatever you got, you can use hairspray, whatever. But I prefer to use lace glue. That's what everybody's been using. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it like that. Now I'm gonna hit it off with some popular spray to secure it and then blow dry it, making sure it's mad hard and you know what I'm saying, make sure it's not coming off, and I put some more glue on it to call it a day. Now I didn't really show you guys this me putting this in 101. I try to like move fast as I could because I didn't want the glue to not dry on me before I put the hair in there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you once again of how I went ahead and achieved the you know, little sideburns input with the lace glue. Like, it's not perfect enough like that, because this hairstyle is not going to be enough for a long time. But I just, like, made it work the best way I could. Like I said, I'm not a pro at this. I didn't really, like, you know what I'm saying, practice this hairstyle right fast. I'm just going with the flow and you know what I'm saying, whatever works for me. And just like that, I'm going to go ahead and put one also on my ear on both sides, just like that. It's pretty easy how you do it. Some people take like hair and they put it on like underneath their real hair, but I didn't have no hair out, so I couldn't do it like that. I just went ahead and did the best way I could do it, y'all. That's all. I'm gonna even like keep it real with y'all and show y'all. This is my favorite oil sheen ever. Like, it smells so good and it's very, very light. I went ahead and hit it up with the spray to give it a little gloss, you know what I'm saying, because it is a hot blonde. You don't want it to be like stiff looking on it. You want to have like a little motion, you know what I'm saying. So I went ahead and jazz it up, and I noticed that when I put the oil sheen on it, it made the curls coming down, it activated them more, getting a more like sophisticated look. Period. This is the final look, how it look, y'all, from side to side, right and left. This is the front right here. I think it came out real cute, y'all. I'm gorgeous. Yes, I said that because what? I love myself, but anybody else does. Bam. Okay. And yeah, it's real nice, y'all. How do y'all like it? Do y'all like it? If y'all do, hit that like button. Comment down below. Let me know what else y'all think about it. Did I finesse it? What did I do? Did I mess it up? Like, let your girl know. And I also be on TikTok too, heavy. So y'all make sure y'all go over there, follow your girl, because I follow you back. I am not petty like that. You like my stuff, I like your stuff. You like my stuff, I like everything about it. And this is how I am. If you already know, you know. And for my loyal subscribers, y'all, for being rocking with me from day one, everybody who new to my channel, breezing through, all that good stuff, thanks again, right? Thanks. And I'll see y'all in my next video. So y'all keep it locked. And you already know, be yourself, because everybody else is what? Taking. Just like that, y'all. Bye.